Functional?
Wait, there's a traffic. Kung hindi sana yung tuhod nyo, I would not suggest. I-try nyo to. Good morning, mga pop! What's up? So, it's our second full day here in Ho Chi Minh, and this is a continuation of our weekday series. We started at Bangkok, Thailand, Vientiane, Laos, and Hanoi, Vietnam, all the way here in Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, Vietnam. So, for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Cu Chi Tunnel, pero hindi tayo sasali sa any kind of tours, magdi-DIY tayo. So, extra challenge na naman ito. Nandito tayo ngayon sa park. Itong park na to, malapit lang sa aming hostel. Yung sa hostel natin ito na, no? Diyan lang, malapit sa KFC. And then, dito na park, daraan yung bus papuntang dalawa. May Cu Chi station. Medyo, it's like 3 hours, dalawang transfer. I think mga 2 hours yung isa, tapos 1 hour isa. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo malaman paano mag-DIY, going to Cu Chi Tunnel, busy na rito sa ano? Ang dami na tricycle, ang dami na mga kamote. Ayan. By the way, it's already 7:15. So, kung gusto nyo malaman paano mag-DIY, going to Cu Chi Tunnel without joining any tour group, so better stay tuned and watch this channel. Good morning, Vietnam! Let's go! Punta tayo doon sana. Hanapin natin yung bus. So, dito tayo ngayon sa bus station. Yung malapit lang sa park. Ayun yung park kanina lakaran natin. So, antayin natin. Nakalagay naman dito sa, bali Google Map lang sinusunod ko. Google, how to commute gamit Google Map. Tulad ng ginagawa natin sa ibang country. And then, so, antayin natin. 10 minutes daw, darating. Nakalagay naman doon kung anong bus ang parating. So, hopefully nandiyan na yung bus. Nakita ko na yung bus number 13 natin eh. So, ayan. Kana nandito lang yung bus number 13. Ayan, nakita ko na yung number 13. Ayun, kulay green na bus. Ayan. Kumabi na siya. Yun, finally.
Có sự ba tuổi con viên 23 tháng 9 đến bến xe Củ Chi. Tìm khách không làm lên bằng cửa trước, tự bỏ tiền hoặc vé tập vào thùng.
So, ito yung bus. Number 13. Yay! First leg success. So yun, nandito na tayo sa bus. Pamasahe, 23,000 dong. So, expected time travel is 1 hour and 2 hours. Successful yung una nating challenge na mahanap yung bus number 13. Malapit lang to sa yung park. Yung park, malapit lang yan sa Bentan Market. Yan lang. Yan. Kasi yung accommodation natin, malapit lang sa Bentan Market. Ito sa park. So, after 1 hour or 45 minutes, andito tayo sa Bensi Cu Chi. Oh, focus pala. Cu Chi Town. So, lipat tayo ng bus 79. Bus 79 going to the mismong tunnel. So, wait lang. Explore muna natin dito. Yan na yung mga bus. Binduk! Okay, bus 79. Punta ang Binduk. Tama-tama, nakabili pa tayo ng kape.
Dừng lại quận 12 nha, chứ không phải đường lại Tân Bình nha.
Yung pamasahe ay... Tanong lang tayo mamaya. Hindi pala itong bus na to. Meron palang bus doon nakapila. Number 79. Oh! Kabila tayo. Amazing Grace again. Ito. Bus 79. Duke. Okay. Larga na, and then may ticket na tayo worth 7,000 dong ang pamasahe. So, success na yung ating second leg of Amazing Grace. Okay, yun. Lapit na tayo. Dito ba? Doon pa kasi sa unahan ng bus stop, pero lumampas na tayo. Babalik na tayo.
Sabatina.
Yeah.
Sabatina.
Back. Yeah. Thank you. So, ayun. Success! So, nakarating tayo sa bus stop ng Benduk. So, babalik tayo doon. So, wait lang. Ayusin ko muna itong buhay ko. Mainit. So, that's it. Saan? Doon kayo ibababa ng bus. Lalampas siya ng konti. Tapos, ito na yung lalakad kayo pabalik dito. Mula doon sa bus stop. And then dito, papunta sa Benduk Tunnel. Bababaan doon. Malaylay din yung babalikan natin. Yung kanto na to. Ito. Doon tayo galing. Na bus stop. And then, tapos dito. Nakalagay naman eh. Daw Kuchi Tunnels. So dito sa Benduk, kasi yung kabilang mas malapit yung isa. Dalawa kasi ang tunnel dito. Bendin and Benduk. So Bendin, yun ang more touristy na na tunnel. Wait lang, medyo parang may sumasabit sa saan ba yung aking yun ang more touristy na Kuchi Tunnel na pinupuntahan ng mga nagbubuk. And then dito tanong tayo kasi baka mayroon na namang bagong baka mayroon silang regulation. Wait. See. Ito yung lugar. So wait lang, magtatanong tayo doon kung magkano ang entrance. Kita-kits tayo sa loob. Update tayo later. Dito sa lugar na to, medyo modern na. Meron na rin silang pickleball. Tennis. Tapos, ayun pa lang doon ang entrance pala. Tapos meron din dito ang restaurant. May lakeside. May explore natin. So, punta muna tayo dun sa sa entrance. Tanong tayo kung baka meron namang restriction pag nagkumukuha tayo ng video. So, before sa entrance, kung yun ang entrance, meron na ritong mga parang kung yung information board nila. Kung anong mga activity pwede magawa rito sa loob ng Benduk Kuchi Tunnel. So yun, may ticket na tayo. 125,000 dong ang entrance. So tapos sabi ni Kuya, straight ahead lang tayo. And then tinanong ko na rin kung pwede ba tayong mag-take ng videos. Sabi niya okay naman daw. So siguro dito walang restriction. Open na rito sa area na to. So tuloy tayo hanggang doon. Dito tayo maglakad sa loob. Baka saan tayo dito? Yeah, dito tayo sa loob. Ayan. So doon na mismong entrance. So dito sa lugar, tignan natin. Walang masyadong tao. Diba? Wala talagang katao-tao. Ako lang mag-isa. Ito, 360 tayo. Wala akong nakitang ibang tourist. Kasi yung iba, yung tourist talaga nandun sa Bendin Kuchi. So hindi ko na alam kung saan nakalagay yung entrance. Doon. Sige, hanapin muna natin. Wala may mga signage pero siyempre hindi mabasa. Tapos wala rin mga tao nag-a-assist. Sige, tuloy lang tayo. By the way, it's already 10:13. So mula doon sa Kuchi Town Station nga pala, it took us mga 1 hour lang papunta rito sa yung bus stop ng Benduk. Okay, sabi ko walang katao-tao pero may nakita akong ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. certified na tourist bus. Meaning marami nang nauna sa atin pala. Yan. Nakalagay VIP poster. Pero hinahanap ko pa rin sa talagang entrance. Saan natin ibibigay itong ticket na to? So meron na ako nakitang officer in charge. Ayan. Ilan tong bus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost Korean bus. Ayun, nagsisimula na yata. Oh. Late na yata talaga tayo. Pero anyway, buti yan, pauwi na sila. So yun, kausap ko si Kuya. Sabi niya, go 300 meters more that way. So, malayo yung sa gate at saka dun sa entrance mismo. Kasi, ito kasing bundok, compared to Bendin na Kuchitan, which is sa kabilang side, medyo mas malapit yung Bendin mula doon sa Kuchitown. Mas malapit yung Bendin. Ito malayo ng konti. At least malayo ng... Akala ko sino nagsasalita. Akala ko nagtutour na sila. May announcement pala. So, lampas muna tayo para hindi nakakahiya kaya at least sasalita siya. So ayun. Good morning. Siya. Thank you. So ayun. Benduk is 10 times more larger than Bendin. So ang nakaganda rin dito according sa mga reviews or according kay Grok. Si Grok ang kaibigan ko na pagtatanungan less tourist nga rito, then less yung mga pila sa mga spots like yung mga popping out sa hole, pupunta sa hole. And then pero malayo dito ng lakad natin papunta sa mismong entrance sa mismong kung saan sila nandoon nag-start. Ayan Oh. Ako lang yung mag-isa naglalakad. So anyway, sige. Buti may kakwentuhan ako. Hindi ako napapagod. So a few moments later, nakita ko na rito. May nakita akong signs ng mga tao. Meron din palang airsoft dito. Pwede mag-airsoft for games. So dun, may nakita na akong mga commotions yun. Marami na naglalakad doon. Malamang ngayon na sila, yung mga tourist. Maaga sila nag-start. Actually, naisip ko rin mag-book ng Klook. Pero nasa mga 1,000 plus Tapos tinry ko mag-DIY. So, at the end of this video, sasummarize natin kung magkano yung nagastos natin using by DIY, through bus, commute, compared to Klook. Ilan naman pwede natin gawing comparison. So, yun na nga. Yun na nagkatagulo. Pero at least patapos na yung mga yan. Diba? So, okay lang na late tayo dumating. May mga, ito yata ito. Dito nagwa-war games. Yung airsoft. Ayan. Kung mahilig kayo. Hindi siya airsoft Anong tawag yan? Yung pumuputok yung bala. Ang abang tawag doon. Comment down below. Na matandaan. Nabablang ko na naman ako. So, kita-kits tayo dun, Patanong ulit tayo ng paano mag-start ng tour. So finally we're here. Ayan bubungad sa inyo dito sa mismong parang kung saan kayo papapasukin para mag-start yung inyong tour. And then ang dami na nga talagang tao. Parang field trip ng mga bata ang meron. Nang natin sir. Hello, good morning. This one? Over there. Dito daw. Ayan. Pasok dito. And then, dito siguro mag-orient. Paano kung mag-isa na tayo? Tignan natin ang mangyayari sa atin. Kasi, hindi pwede mag-tour around dito, mag-room around kung walang guide. Ito, tanongin natin. So,
Yung nandun, hindi rin pala sila. So, tinuro na naman ako dito. Ito na talaga ang nakalagay. Ticket. Ayan na talaga nakalagay. Ticket checking.
Okay, everybody, pass the entrance.
Okay. So, parang sasabay siguro ako rito sa mga guide na to.
Ngoài ngoài phim lên là chuyện đó đâu em ngoài phim lên nè giá như ngoài phim kìa mày nhà gửi một tỷ luôn đi. Say everybody.
I'm alone.
Oh yeah, đúng không?
So, ayun. Nag-start na kasi rito. So, sabi niya, tinanong ko kung mag-join ba ako sa kanila. Sabi niya, stay here and wait for a minute. Hanap siya ng guide natin. So, more info about paano mag-DIY. So, ito. Meron ditong rules. So, for ensuring safety, visitors should comply with attendance. So, kung ano sasabihin niya, do not leave your group. You should not go down to the tunnel the following cases. Kung merong sakit sa puso, or any medical history na pwedeng makasama sa'yo kung bababa ka sa tunnel, including arthritis, rheumatism, baka hindi ka na makabalik. Lalo na yung mga visitors na afraid of darkness and narrow place, yung mga claustrophobic visitors at age of 70 above, so hindi na pwede. And lalo na yung mga visitors na mga lasing or under the influence of alcohol. So far yun lang naman ang rules. And wala namang sinabing bawal mag-video or mag-take ng pictures or mag-comment.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hi. I'll follow them. Okay, thank you. So ayun, ito sinama tayo rito na grupo. So mga boys ang grupo natin. Ayan, mga bagets ang kasama natin. Pero tayo, mukha tayong Vietcong sa ating sombrero. Di ba cool? Kalupoy? Ayan. Ang problema natin, hindi pa tayo nag-breakfast. Ang nainom lang natin itong kape suwa. Kape natin nabili dun sa Kuchitown.
They need to find some special way to trick the American training dogs. First one I use black pepper powder and a chili powder. They put in the hole.
So,
Training dog they do have a very sensitive nose when it's
nandito na kami pero sila, nag-start pa lang siguro sila pero anyway, sige. Sumunod na lang tayo sa guide natin. Ito ang guide natin. Okay. Stop ko muna habang naglalakad-lakad kami. Good morning. Okay, so meron kami first stop siguro.
Got some statues. Traditional uniform. Of Gucci guerrillas. Yeah. Local fighter. Yeah, we call them guerrillas. Yeah. And you know, at night time they like a farmer, worker, student, but night time some of them become soldier to the and the motherland. And they were supplied from communists in the north, from Hanoi.
Yeah, from the north.
Yeah, from
the north.
Yeah, military, you know. Yeah. You can take some picture for souvenir if you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
Male and female, they are fighter.
Sila. Wow. Okay. Another stopover. Meron dito
sorry, fighting zone, fighting area. And it's like Saigon River, One Word River, Little Cambodia, and over Little Saigon City Center. So you could see that river, all the view from here to here to the south.
Dinidiscuss yung overview ng channel. Tunnel mismo.
The tunnel here was built in
Kinig ba tayo?
three small entrance, secret entrance over here. Very small, just fit with me size only. And the first level was used for the soldier to move along and go to ground for fighting, for shooting. So over here we have meeting bunker, kitchen bunker, sleeping bunker, and fighting bunker here. This one fighting bunker also. And look at the kitchen bunker, please. Kitchen bunker. In the past, in Gucci, there were three no. Talking with no sound, cooking with no smoke, and walking with no footprint. Three no sound, no smoke, and no footprint. As a right over here, we have Hoàng Cầm Kitchen. Hoàng Cầm is the name of kitchen. When they cook meal inside kitchen, they release smoke, right?
Hindi ko masyadong i-record lahat kasi baka maubos na naman yung memory natin. Kinig lang muna tayo ko ate and then i-relate ko na lang mamaya.
That's the one.
Ayan, tapos na si ate.
Now you have manufactured, right?
Yeah, no, how do they dig? Wow, they are.
Yeah, they use bamboo and they use wood.
So, nung dumating na kami, hindi naman siguro patapos na. Medyo sarado na siguro kasi na-discuss niya na yung about doon sa may coverage ng Cu Chi. Actually, Cu Chi tunnel extends from Laos, Cambodia to every nearby parang place within the north. Ayan. In-emphasize niya yung ate kanina doon sa tunnel. Yun nga yung kung gaano siya kalalim. Ito, kung gaano kalalim. Ayan. Yun na yung tubig nila. And then, meron silang screen, no? Dun sa kitchen. No smoke, no noise, and no footstep. So, ayan. As may mga student na matanong, kailang very curious sila. Alam na anong nationality. Siguro mga, I think Koreans. Okay. So, continue tayo mamaya.
They fired into the earth. They even fired into schools, pots and pans, and even into Buddha statues. All the prosperous and rich villages of Cu Chi were destroyed by the bombs and bullets of Washington, D.C., just like the Trang Lang village.
So, yun. Kahit natapos na yung kanina yung presentation ng ni Ate Girl, di ba nga at the middle na kami nakarating. So, pinastay pa rin kami para papanoorin yung parang propaganda video na how was Cu Chi Town before, and then paano siya naging parang ano sila naging guerrillas dahil sa nangyari nga. Tapos and so on. Ito yung mga pinakita na yung mga parang documentary film. Anyway, medyo parami ang mga kasama ko. Ito na sila. And then pupunta na daw kami sa next destination ay yung mismong tunnel. And sasalita na siya. Wait.
Welcome you to the tunnel. You know, underground, the tunnel system like a spider web. It's connecting over 6 villages. This is the longest tunnel in Vietnam. Yeah, Cu Chi tunnel is more than 250 kilometers long. Yeah, bunker connected to bunker. Village to another village. And the tunnel was created by local people, yeah, Cu Chi people. And local people, they become the fighter to defend the motherland. So they were supplied from communists in the north. And this located very important to attack and to defend. Because Saigon Central, far away from here, about 65 kilometers. Saigon used to be the capital of the South government. And government was supplied from US. So can you imagine, the fighting between the government and local people. And local people were supplied from communists in the north. And communist country was supplied from China and Soviet Union. Yeah. So now the first one so easy, everybody can do. You can go in down from here and then you have to follow tunnel, go out there. From here to there, it takes about 10 meter long. Hello? Yeah. This tunnel has been widened for tourists. It's nearly double size, 2 times than original. When you go down tunnel, you have to bend down your body like this and you have to go like this. So that along the way, be careful on your hat and your sunglasses. So when you go this way, please. One by one, step by step. This is the first stop, my friend. First stop,
Tapos na tayo.
10 meters long. From the jungle recruit after 1975.
From here inside. There's a well. There's a well here. Very easy na to. Kasi ano to? Wala tayong ilaw. this kind of easy. Wait, there's a traffic. So, meron din doon pero close. Then, we're out. So, masakit siya sa tuhod. So, there's the light. Yan. Nagkahirap-hirap na yung mga nakasunod ko ng mga bagets. Ayan. So, tama. Pag may arthritis ka, mahirap siya kasi all the way from here to here, crawl, and then masakit sa tuhod pag meron kang ano. Sa later naman ulit, destination natin. Tapos na tayo doon.
So, right here, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, take a look this one, yeah. Can you guess? Can you tell me what it is? Yeah, like a stone, yeah, like a frog, yeah.
Anthill?
Yeah, like an anthills, yeah. Actually, this is the air ventilation.
Alright.
Yeah, ventilation stuff. Because underground kind of hot and humid, yeah, humidity.
Air
So that will make the
ventilation.
air, yeah, properly. The oxygen can go down.
Next stop na tayo. Discuss niya lang yung parang thermal mound na ginamit na air ventilation. So, ito ang ano. So, meron na naman dito.
Đáng tin ta hỏi coi anh bí thư coi chừng nào làm cái tiệc lớn này. Kiss me, ladies and gentlemen. So right here, I could like introduce you the tunnel in front of you. There is a fighting bunker. Because Kuchi tunnel system not only for hiding, it's also for fighting.
Okay. They
And you
stuck.
see, yeah, there were 1,000 bunker like this, and one bunker big enough for 3 to 4 local soldiers. From underground, yeah, they can look outside from the fighting holes, and they put the gun barrel to shoot the enemy. I mean, if US soldier go far away from the bunker, about 20 meters, local people can shoot them. But if US soldier come closer here, don't shoot, because if they know where you are, they use a hand grenade, yeah, blow up the bunker. How can we go inside the bunker? Where is the entrance? Yeah, take a look right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, right here.
Oh,
la trampilla.
the entrance.
Yes.
Whoa.
In the jungle, it's not so easy for you to find the entrance. Yeah, because
Entrance
local
nun,
soldiers they have
bunker
to
na
know
ito,
where they
Wanda
were in the jungle. Yeah. So you see, the actual size of the entrance very small, 30 by 40 centimeter. Everything under cover by the trapdoor, and they put some leaf on the cover. Yeah. So the regulation, yeah, if the last soldier, the last fighter who going down the tunnel from this side, after closing the cover, he will set up the hand grenade below the cover. Yeah, hand grenade, like a bomb, you know. Yes.
Hand grenade.
Because if the American soldier try to open it, yeah, grenade blow up and kill the enemy from outside. And from this side, you can follow tunnel to the other tunnel. Yeah.
So, ikot muna tayo kasi baka mahulog siya natin
If you
yung
want to
memory.
try, let's do it. Yeah.
Ita-try ko.
You enter from here and then go
Try
right
natin.
and right.
Okay, successful. Ganda na yung gamit ko. And then, so ibig sabihin, pag guerrilla ka, dala mo yung gamit mo. Wait, nagkaroon dito ng traffic. Post mo natin. So, continue tayo. Yan. Yan ang kinating lalakaran. Duckwalk. Mahirap talaga. Mahirap kasi duckwalk. So, you have to duckwalk. So that's it. Whoa. Nasa Kuya Sas. Whoa. So, stop first. Magamit muna. And then, out from here. Alright. Amazing race. Oh. That's a good experience, right? Unfortunately, we find it funny, but during the time, it's very hard for them.
Yeah, very hard for them. Yeah.
Yeah, very hard for them.
Between death and life.
Yeah,
Yeah, so scary.
yeah, so scary.
Do you know that you're in war?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nothing funny about it. Whew. Continue tayo dun. Medyo nadumihan tayo doon. Ano, siyempre.
Yeah, along the way, take a look the deep holes on your left-hand side. There's a B-52 bomb crater.
Bomb crater.
Yeah, bomb crater.
Yeah.
US bomb.
Yeah.
US Army know the tunnels, but they didn't know exactly where tunnel system. Yeah. Yeah, today we are in the new jungle. Most of the trees from the jungle regrew after 1975. You know, when the war ended, 1975, we counting every 1 square meters on Kushi land.
Yeah.
There are 3 kilogram. The piece of bomb fragment. Yeah, 1 square meter, 3 kilogram bomb. Yeah, what can we see here?
Booby trap.
Yeah, this is the entrance to the heaven. Yeah.
Entrance to the heaven, right?
Yeah. Everything completely covered. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, no barrier, no plastic grass
okay.
like this. It's very natural, like a jungle from beside you. So what happened if someone step on it? Yeah, look at the bottom. You see?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa! Yeah, there are lots of bamboo spines. Yeah.
Stairway to heaven.
Yeah.
Really stairway
well,
to heaven.
You see,
Okay,
snap
may
bamboo.
mga booby trap.
Sometimes local soldier put a snake poison, cobra venom, and that they poop on the spine. Make the animal faster. But you know the main purpose, the trap not killing the soldier,
Wait lang.
just killing the
Stop lang ulit. Bali ang video natin pa-stop lang kasi nga 1 hour remaining lang yung ating memory. Pasensya na. So, hindi ko na masyadong mabibideo lahat. Pero yung mga like yung mga main points, like yung mga di-discuss niya, kuha tayo ng mga at least ilang minutes na footage. Okay?
You saw from earlier, that's a level 1. The first level not so deep, only 3 meters. Yeah, we have 2 more level deeper. Yeah, second level 6 meters, and the deep big tunnel 10 meters. And unlucky, some part of the tunnels collapsing by bombing. I mean, U.S. Army know the tunnel, so that they drop the bomb. So if U.S. Army bombing, tunnel collapsing by bomb. See, there are 3 connections. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. That's the actual side of the tunnel. Yeah, the actual side of the tunnel only 80 centimeter high by 60 centimeter wide. They usually make the small tunnel. As you know, the small tunnel much stronger than large tunnel. Even tank or bulldozer run above. They are not easy collapsing. And another function. We make the tunnel for Vietnamese soldier, not for the American side. So I mean, sometimes the American soldier find the tunnel, but could not go in, could not fit. But you know, at the time, U.S. Army very clever. 1966, they medical bunker, hospital bunker. The medical bunker bigger than the other bunker. Why? Because sometimes they transfer injured soldier from bunker to another bunker, so they make this tunnel bigger. So if you want to go more, can you enter from here and then turn right? And you see the exit over there. From here to there, take about 5 meter long. This tunnel easier than the first one, a bigger one. If you want to go more, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Here, go right, and you will come out there. 5 meter long, only 5 meters.
No challenge. Okay. This is the hospital. But it's dark. There's a light. Yan sa mas maluwag dito. Dapat pala nagdala ko. Ang ganda ko dito dala. So, tip ko sa inyo. Ang tip ko sa inyo ay magdala kayo ng headlamp.
No puedo verte, voy la primera. Mira, voy a hacerte una foto al salir.
So,
Wow.
5 meters and then this is, okay. Okay. Look at this one. There's an injured soldier. So,
Siguiente entras tú la primera. No, pero quiero que vaya, yo tengo que ir para grabarte.
so, ayun. Parang ito ang kanilang hospital. And then, ito yung mga soldiers, mga like medic, carrying injured soldiers. This one.
Yeah.
Medic.
Yeah, medic.
Yeah, medic.
That's why how they transfer
Yeah.
soldier
Yeah.
from here back to bigger hospital. Because yeah, little bit.
Commanding headquarter meeting bunker. Parang wide daw siya. And then,
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the highlight. Yeah, the entrance to the meeting bunker. Underground is the biggest bunker. The tunnel big enough for 20 Vietnamese soldiers.
okay.
Yeah, if you go down tunnel, you can see the long table and some gorilla statues. Yeah. From here to the bunker, it takes about 10 meter. 10 meter long. It's similar size like a hospital bunker over there. And you know, after 10 meter from the bunker, we have two more
Try natin yan.
options. Two more
Ito na yung
tunnels
highlight ng
underground.
bunker daw.
The option one on
So,
the
must
right
try.
is the emergency
Medyo pa mas mahirap siya
exit to the
and mas
surface.
malalim.
And option two
And
on the
malayo.
left, there is an entrance to the second level. Yeah, deeper tunnels. And who want try second level? How many meters long from the second level? Yeah, it take about 50 more meter. 50 by 0 meter long, not 1 fire. Tunnel, you know, go farther. So I will follow you to the bunker, and from the bunker, your decision. Yeah, easy way or difficult way, it's up to you. If you want to try longer one, let me know, and if not, yeah, you can going out. Okay.
Okay, let's try.
If you don't want to go more, can you wait for me over there? Yeah, the roof over there. Wait for me. Don't go far away. I will come back and see you
So,
later.
tatry natin yung ano. So, kita-kita sa sila din. Okay, okay. Okay. So, may guide siya. Gagawin tayo niya. So, medyo maluwag pa rito ang side. So, duckwalk talaga. And then, going down. Ito, pababa na siya. Okay. Going down. So, this is the biggest place.
The bunker.
Yeah. So, this is where the Tet Offensive was planned.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes if local soldier
Yeah.
come to the meeting bunker
Yeah.
for meeting,
Yeah.
everybody have to cover their face.
Okay.
They use
Okay.
scarf, you know,
Yeah.
scarf cover their face, so nobody know. who
Nobody
you
will
are.
know who you are.
Yeah. Because some of them become spy.
Yeah. Yeah. So, post muna natin to.
No, yes, on the first level.
Kailangan ko ng tubig
The
na.
bunker, meeting over easy. Yeah, long time.
Yan sila nag-meeting.
First level and
May meeting. May mga kaganapang nangyayari.
Yeah. And
So,
yeah.
continue tayo mamaya. Pag doon sa mismong second level bunker.
Yeah.
Honor, I'll go here. Follow the leader. Okay, follow the leader. Ginawa back leader. So, I'll just go to 3 minutes na dakbo. Medyo maluwag naman siya. Kaso lang pagdating doon, there's no light. There's no light. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
No se paren, pesado, que la gente se alza. Que
Yeah.
ahí luego entra ahí.
Yeah, yes. Hey, you got the light.
Vale.
Okay.
I can eat you one.
Okay. Yes. Oh, it's sloping down, going to the lower floor, sloping down. And then, ayun. Pababa na siya. Pababa. It's slope down, sloping down. Yeah. Siguro yung tumutulog. Para kasi malamig naman dito. Meron siya konting ventilation. Para yung highlight. Masakit na sa tuhod. Okay. Tayo konti. Angat tayong konti.
Kaya no veo.
So, it's almost 1.5 minutes. And we are just halfway to go. Pagdating doon, laki na. You know. Wait. Okay. You can stand right here, okay? Okay. Pagpamig na. Crawl. So, kung hindi sana yung tuhod nyo, I would not suggest na i-try nyo to.
La primera realidad, vale, ¿verdad? Vale. Queremos seguir más, ¿no? Sí.
Okay, may nakita ko likuan dun eh. Baka ligo sila. Baka ako dumiretso. Okay, wait. Sakit ng tuhod ko. Kaya natin survive.
Vamos a la mitad, ¿verdad?
Wait.
Y es dolor, ¿eh? De la rutina.
It's so dark.
Mira,
It's so dark in there.
ya antes está muriendo. También me lo hacen.
Gapang na. Kaya bang. Straight ahead. No. Turn left. Auto. Yeah, turn left.
Ahora es peor, ¿eh? Porque bajamos para abajo.
It's almost 3 minutes and I think we're out. I think we're out. I know. Not yet. We're not out yet. I know we're out. Exactly 3 minutes. We're out. It's so hard. We survived.
Yeah.
Oh, 3 minutes. We're out. And we survived.
We will give you certificate.
Thank you.
Survival.
Just give me for the knee. Medicine for the knee.
Oh yeah. Good exercise.
Oh my God.
Welcome back. Yeah.
Resting and working bunker for political commissar. Survive. So,
The people from the area.
what more? Head lang. What more kung talagang during a time of war. Kaya, yun ang sinasabi ko. Tribute to the people of Vietnam. Tribute to the people of Vietnam talaga tong naging experience natin. It's because na-feel natin yung kahit na sa ano lang, ganito na paraan, na-feel natin yung paghihirap nila at paano sila nag-success sa kanilang pinaglaban. Okay, catch my breath muna. This is the last part of our tour, the cooking bunker. So how will they avoid the smoke being detected? Okay, I'm just too excited to ask. I'm sorry.
So yesterday big rain, yeah. So today someone cooked wrong way, yeah. You see a lot smoke come out, yeah. Yeah, kitchen bunker. All Vietnamese we call Hoang Cam kitchen. Hoang Cam, that's a local name, the name of local fighter. Yeah, good designer. Of course, there were no rooftop, no big entrance like this. Yeah, everything completely covered. What happened if they cook underground? Yeah, take a look from this. Yeah, under my feet, there's a smoke container, like a filter. Yeah, step by step. And you see, yeah, if the smoke come out like a morning mist, like a fog in the morning.
Yeah.
From helicopter, American could not see.
Yeah.
But today, they just demonstration for you to see where the smoke coming out from the second chamber. Actually, we got, the last chamber far away kitchen more than 20 to 30 more meters.
Okay.
That means the smoke, go far away kitchen. One time cook for 2 or 3 meals. Yeah.
So yun, diniscuss lang.
Okay,
Ito na ulitin. Diniscuss niya yan about sa ano. So kung hindi nyo nag-gets, yung smoke filter is like 20 to very magkakalayo sila para ma-filter talaga yung yung usok pag nagluluto sila. So this is their hand washing area. Yeah. Okay. Hand wash na muna tayo.
Washing your hand and then come back to the table.
Okay. Pagkatapos natin maghugas, meron ng treats sa atin, the food of the Vietnamese guerrilla fighters. Kamoting kahoy, balanghoy. Yan. Alam niya ate, yung tour guide kanina, alam niya na kamoting balanghoy. This is kamoting kahoy. Okay. Kumain na sila. So, try natin kainin. Coconut. I think. Parang mali. Ano?
Kataba or
Masaba.
like have you ever ring the milk tea with the bubble tea? Make from this one, yeah.
But you have to learn how to cook that one because if you cook it wrong, you'll be poisonous.
It make you wrong.
Yeah.
Like you.
Yeah. You have to.
Like a sweet potatoes. Like
You have
a
to
sweet
keep-
potato. Same but different. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a curcuma, but not curcuma. Yeah. You know, like a ma. You know. Ma.
You have to dip it. Ang sarap. Can I have a video of you guys?
Okay.
Yeah. Shout out to the Philippines, right? Shout out from our friends from South Korea. Yeah, what's your name? Your name? Yeah. Kyo.
Yeah.
And
I don't know to get it.
so that's it. Meet our friends from Korea.
For all of you.
Thank you.
Along the way back to the car park, no more tunnels, but something else to see from outside. Sandal workshop, yeah, the place where they cut the sandal from rubber tire. And next stop, you can see the small museum. They show you many kinds of bamboo trap. And from the last stop, there's a big memorial temple. If you have free time, please come back to the temple. And next to the parking, we have the shooting range if you want to try the rifle.
Yeah.
You can go there, buy some bullet, you know, AK-47, M16 or machine gun. It's up to you. If you like gun, you can try the rifle. And if you don't like, please go into the temple. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now right here, the two over finish marketing here. I want to say goodbye for all of you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah. Have a-
Salamat.
Selamat. Yeah.
So, yun na, pagkatapos natin kumain, kasaba, and the tour is finished. So, the tour, yung guided tour is finished. Pero tayo, tuloy pa rin tayo. Meron pang ditong bunker, bunker along the way. So, suggest ko nga pala, kung alam ba pupunta kayo rito, bring extra clothes. Kasi papawisan talaga kayo ng gusto. Ayun na nga. Ito pala yan, no? This is where they sew their clothes. Hello. Morning. So, ayun. Ito yung mga rubber tires made into slippers. Yeah.
Para borrar las huellas.
Bili tayo na at patagal ako doon. Ayun na. As I was saying, suggest ko, papunta kayo dito. Mauna, mas maganda, may dala kayong headlamp para pagpasok sa mga underground bunker, sa tunnel, meron na kayo, hindi na kayo maghahawak na cellphone. Or if ever nagbibideo naman kayo, yung camera nyo, makadagdag ng ilaw yung yung headlamp. And then, extra t-shirt talaga. Ito, pagkatapos ng tour, siguradong pagpapawisan kayo. Lalo na pag pumasok kayo dun sa most challenging part ng tunnel. Dun sa almost 3 minutes tunnel. And then, and water pa rin talaga, water. So, it's already 11:44. Nag-start tayo around here, I think mga 10:30. So, ang tour ay almost 1 hour, more than 1 hour. So, ayun. So, hanap tayo na something interesting. Dito. Hindi, wait. Meron ditong, hindi ko napasok. Okay. This is the booby trap. Hello, sir. Different booby trap. Yeah. Yeah. Different kinds of booby trap. This one, how it works. How that works. Oh, okay. Okay. Fish trap. Okay. Your foot with Kind of stuck ba? Stuck. And this one, a clipping armpit prop. Ah, okay. Armpit. How's that work? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Tusok ang ano mo. Kili-kili. Window drop.
Yeah.
Yeah. The window drop. And okay, the rolling drop. Okay. Throws around. Very innovative. And this one that's like will fall from the tree. Yeah. Fall from the tree. Sticking crop. So, ito naman may mga na ano nila, improvise. Improvise na mga may mga sima. Okay. So, may mga pictures dito to tribute sa mga hero of from the hero of Kuchi Tunnel. Yeah. So, ayan. Baka mag-wonder kayo, bakit merong video? Bakit may mga footage? Kasi during that time, di ba nga, nung pumunta sa War Remnants, may mga, like, journalists at that time, they are, yung parang, siguro ang camera pala na imagine ko yung iniikot-ikot pala yung reels na ganun. So, open sa kanila, sa mga grilla, parang welcome sa kanila yung documentary at that time. Kasi kinukuha din naman ng, ginagamit yung mga footage na yon up in the north, para gumawa ng parang like, a propaganda para maboost yung ano, maboost yung spirit ng mga lumalaban. Hindi ko gamitin yung word na nakikibaka. Lumalaban. So, ayun. So, stop muna tayo and tingin tayo ng mga, natingin tayo ng something interesting pa. Parang gusto kong subukan yung gunfiring. Kaso lang, baka magmahal. Mag-inquire tayo. Na part muna. Meron tayong mga souvenir shop, paintings, and then, ito, different mga parang, hindi naman siya related sa ano, pero ewan kung ano significance ng mga to. Basta ito mga ano, souvenir shop. Ganda ng Vero. Pensano. Meron tayo dito. Pwede kayong dalhin to sa ano, airport. Yun lang. Mahuhuli ka niya sa airport. Pag nagdala ka niya. 250,000 dong. Yan. Ganda sana yan kung pwedeng dalhin sa airport. Ito, patay tayo dyan sa airport. May dala tayong ganyan. Diba? Ito, kung may dala kang ganito sa airport. Oh, lighter siya pero patay tayo dyan. Saka anyway. Ito lang ang shop. Yan. Kung hilig kayo mag-collect ng mga souvenirs. Yan ang official, parang official souvenir shop ng Kuchi Tunnel. So, punta na tayo sa labas. Actually, meron pang rice wine dito. Ayan, rice wine, Kuchi rice wine. Sa gawa ng locals. Support the locals. Okay. So, dito yung inquiry regarding kung gusto niyo mag-firing. Ayan. Kung sample like AK-47. Ang bala ng AK-47 ay ang tawag nila ay K63. Hindi AK-47. K-47, ito pala K-47, no, not AK, it's just K-47. 65,000 dong. per bullet. So,
Not play only lah.
pwede kaya ano, try natin magtanong kung pwede card. So wala na tayong dalang cash. Pwede pa lang ano, pwede pa lang credit card and payment. So kung tatry natin ng at least pang 10 bullets, 650,000 dong, that is around 1,200 or 1,300 plus. So try natin 5 lang siguro para feel lang natin para magputok ng AK-47. Bili mo na akong bala. So cancel tayo kasi ang available lang pala na meron doon ngayon ay machine gun, M60 machine gun, carbine, basta carbine, and 45. Pero ang nakalagay sila 54. Tapos may minimum siya. Ang carbine is 10 bullet, 45 is 10 bullet, and M60 machine gun is 20 bullets. So, mabigat. So, okay. Palabas na ako. Then, hanap tayo ng something interesting pa along the way. And then, doon na tayo mag-wrap up. So, dito muna tayo. Last look dito sa ano. May magandang place dito. And then, so, pwede magpa-picture dyan. Okay. So, dito na rin tayo magra-wrap up sa ating DIY Gucci Tunnel Benduk na place. Hindi to yung Bendin, this Benduk. This is yung mas malaki to na place and mas medyo malayo. So okay, dito na rin tayo magra-wrap up ng ating DIY Benduk Gucci Tunnel. Paano pumunta rito na hindi sumasama sa group tour, like hindi nyo inavail yung sa Klook, gusto nyo mag-DIY, gusto nyo mag-bus. So this video is for you. And at the end of this video, sabi ko, ito yung ating nagastos lahat compared to prices ng Klook. Ito naman. So very large difference syempre kasi nga DIY lang tayo. And medyo it's already 12:30. Ayun na nga, saglit lang kahit dumating tayo dito ng almost 10:30 na, natapos din natin ang tour kaagad. And then ngayon, ayun, wala na umalis na rin yung mga tourist bus. So pwede pa pumunta rito kahit na hapon. Pag pumunta kayo rito, meron ding, pero pa rin ganun pa rin ang tour guide na at magiging ganun pa rin ang tour na i-guide sa inyo na masasamahan nyo. Anyway, so salamat sa pagsama sa ating Gucci Tunnel Adventure. So successful tayo at nakarating tayo rito using DIY method. So paki-share nyo to, paki-share sa mga friends nyo na balak din pumunta rito sa Gucci Tunnel using DIY method para makatipid. So please like and subscribe to our channel, and this is for the people of Gucci and also para sa ating mga subscriber and sa mga non-subscriber natin, subscribe na kayo to help this channel grow. So see you back at the hostel or pagbalik na doon kasi mamayang gabi ang ating flight na pabalik na ng Philippines. So salamat sa panood ng series natin, and then kung hindi pa napanood yung mga previous series natin sa ating 50th birthday celebration, click nyo lang yung link ng playlist para makita nyo yung adventure natin na nag-start from Bangkok to Laos to 2 cities of Vietnam, Hanoi, and ending at Ho Chi Minh. So salamat mga paps and mga mamshis. Papa Pets TV out!